So today we are celebrating the International Migrants Day, and you will see all the artworks, the performances, the installations that depict how they have gone through their journey, and the virtual website Dubai Chalo is now launched.
Really, it's an eye-opener. It's the first time we've actually engaged with visual arts for our research, and while this opens up a lot of boundaries for mental health research and for complex issues beyond migrant health to COVID and other issues, vaccine hesitancy, but I also want to highlight that this is an excellent frontier to dip into visual arts research.
ये एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है जिसमें फर्स्ट टाइम लेबर माइग्रेंट्स जो हमारे पाकिस्तानी लेबर्स बाहर के मुल्कों में स्पेशली मिडिल ईस्ट में काम कर रहे हैं, उनसे रिलेटेड, उनकी प्रोटेक्शन से रिलेटेड पाकिस्तान की पॉलिसीज़ को एनालाइज करने की कोशिश की है हमने.
The way the misery was brought about by these stories, I went around seeing, and also some of those stories that were depicted by the laborers themselves. It was like, it's still giving me goosebumps.
The projections today, the role play, the art display, and the policy dialogue booklet, all of them combine to make a very important statement. The policymakers, the social scientists must also look at the social, the human side of the story. What are the issues that the migrant workers face in the countries where they go on to make their important contributions? Who's looking after their rights and their well-being? Whose responsibility are they? These are important questions.